Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cook the most easiest and simplest fried rice in your home in less than 5 minutes. The ingredients needed are an egg, half capsicum finely chopped, half onion finely chopped, olive oil, boiled rice and salt. Heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add the chopped onions. Saute the onions well and add salt. Now add the chopped capsicum. Do not overcook the capsicum, it needs to remain crunchy. Add the egg after 2 minutes and mix it well. Now add the bowl full of rice and mix it with the ingredients present in the pan. Now the fried rice is ready to serve.